Have you ever heard the saying that the eyebrow frames the face? It is so true. And for many of us older women or mature women, we notice that we've lost that anchor that was our eyebrow as we get older. Our brows start to thin out, they may lighten in color, and all of a sudden it looks like we don't even have one. I'm here to show you how in 30 seconds you can take a powdered eyeshadow and you can actually apply and fill in where your brow used to be. As a mature woman, I don't think the real dark chiseled eyebrow that is very popular these days looks good on me. I want more of a natural, and this is the way I've found out that I'm doing it. So you'll notice the first thing that I do is put a tick mark on my eye or on my face where I want that eyebrow to start to build. And then I start to fill in, adding a little bit of powder as I go. The spoolie end of my brush acts as almost like an eraser. So if I get too much on, or it's in the wrong place, or I need to thin it out a little bit, I can simply take that over and brush away. You'll notice that I'm brushing up, trying to incorporate the existing brow hairs that I still have with the powder that I'm adding on. This has been a great game changer for me, and I think you will notice instantly how much better your face appears by simply adding a little bit of color onto your eyebrows. It's a great thing and so easy to do.